Sow a seed of money at your place. Get a golden opportunity to be an entrepreneur and a social worker. A company for every citizen of India brings an innovative and unique project to work for the public health and welfare. And the organization has a prevention healthcare as well. It offers you an opportunity to join hands with public-private partnership and to work with us to earn up to 50,000 to 2 lakh rupees per month. In addition to that, it builds a chance for you to work for the welfare of social welfare. We are aiming to serve the society with better health standards and working intensively to create India that is free from lifestyle disorder and any chronic ailment disease. A social venture that aims to fight incurable and life-threatening medical conditions. We can bring a significant change in medical science and prevent ourselves from chronic diseases by just bringing a change in our drinking water. We witness there are numerous life-threatening incurable diseases which have made their way to every home, such as COVID-19, cancer, diabetes, obesity, heart diseases, stroke, liver and kidney disorders. Despite visiting doctors and hospitals, we have failed to get rid of this element and those diseases which we think will strike us in old age have started to hit people in very young age, group of 25 to 30 years. The recent research revealed the fact that our poor lifestyle plays an active role to introduce such incurable diseases in our body. And above all, the biggest and most responsible of all the causes is the water. We drink specially our water. We can't differentiate water in any container just by looking at. But water from every source is not healthy for our body. Since we know the fact that water is 70% of our body, even the modern science emphasize on this fact. If we can take good care of 70%, it will ensure a healthy life for us. Keep these incurable diseases, we just need to take care of our drinking water. An RO machine that was invented in Japan, this device turns any variety of water into miracle alkaline ionized water, which reduces the aging speed in our body. An individual can relish a youthful and disease-free life. This device turns any variety of water healthy by electrolyzed reduced platinum ionized technique and regenerates drinking water that builds stronger immunity to fight diseases. This kind of water miraculously heals our body and help to cure diseases. The water from this phenomenal device has been the part of treatment of the diseases at various Japanese hospitals for a very long time. We have started to establish the ATMs of Prevention Health Centers Miracle Alkaline Ionized Water at distinct places. The market price is 600 rupees for 1 liter. However, for the public health and welfare, we are making it available at an economical price because we wish that every individual should be able to access this miracle alkaline water with dynamic medicinal quality to prevent such as terrible life-threatening diseases. We invite you to be a part of this noble venture by making this water accessible to the natives of your city, village, town and safeguard them from such incurable diseases. In addition to this, it presents you the chance to earn great money. For more information, kindly contact Indian Citizen Company. Our company belongs to every Indian. Our contact number is 8076109064 and 9773616486.